Hello YouTubers, you're watching this do-it-yourself channel, and today we have 2014 Chevy Malibu. We will be replacing exhaust and intake variable valve timing solenoid on this 2.5 liter engine, so stay tuned. So first we'll start with removing engine cover, and that's T30 4 bolts, actually 3 bolts, and the oil cap is on the other side, so we'll pull that off and remove the cover and reinstall the oil cap back on. Right, so here's our black exhaust and intake solenoid. So to remove it, there is this white plastic lock, so you push it back and pull it off. So you push the white piece back, press it really hard and push it off. This one is behind this air intake, but I'll try to do that without Actually, I might need to remove this really quickly. So I'll just use 10mm socket, 8mm socket to get this hose off. That should allow us to get access to the intake solenoid. Engine is hot. It's been a little bit of a struggle, so we push it back in, press, pull out, and it's not coming out. Alright, so we'll just use a set of pliers and press it really hard, and it will come off. So there is very little playroom when it comes to this, so if you have something like this, that would be helpful. Next we'll remove 10mm bolt that holds the exhaust solenoid. We'll try to wiggle it out. As you can see, there are a few O-rings. It's hot. Let's grab a glove. Pull it out, so there is oil coming out. So have a paper towel handy so it doesn't spill all over the engine. Already did on my side. So pull this out. Grab the new one, and you remember to check the color of the connector. So this is exhaust, this is black. So this one comes with the new bolt, so we will keep it just compared to the old one. So this plastic cap stays on. O-ring, make sure that it is there. So now I'll just put this back in. Hold it snug. Next we'll remove the bolt. There is not enough room for the input, so we'll just use 10mm socket and ratchet. We'll pull this one out too. I'll just use a screwdriver to pry this out since it's sitting tight. Now it's out. We'll put the new one back on. Now we'll just get them both tight. Now we'll just torque it to roughly 100 inch-pounds. Those. Get those plugs back on and lock them in place. Same on this side. Get it on, lock it in place. Okay, now we'll install the engine cover. Get the engine oil cap back on. We'll install those T30 screws back on. Three of those. And the last piece would be to reinstall this intake boot. And we'll get it tight with a 8mm socket. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Please check the description to the video for parts and tools that you would need. And as always, just do it yourself.